What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have my GoPro on my helmet. I have my yellow helmet on. What I did was I took the modular chin off. Wow, it's pretty windy. I took the visor off. I took the modular chin off. I'm wearing it with goggles and a little mask over my mouth. Hopefully you can hear me all right. And this way my visor doesn't get foggy anymore. That was the big problem with that yellow helmet. The visor was fogging up whenever I rode it, you know, from the breathing. So I'm headed to work. It's cold. I figured I'd give this setup a try to see how it works. So far it's not bad. I'm not super cold, so that's all right. I mean, my face could get pretty cold because it's just some fabric between my mouth and the elements, but right now it's not so bad. We'll see. I'm gonna like this angle too much. Not sure if you can see my hand and the bars. I know I like to see the handlebars in my ride videos. A lot of birds. So I'll have to check it out. Once I get to work, I'll check it out and see if I like this angle. There's a lot of fucking bullshit going on these roads right now. Never a dull moment in this town. Yeah, and then maybe on the way home today, I might try going down 5th Avenue. I don't know if the decorations for Christmas are still up. You know, it's like January 11th. They might be down. But it is a nice run. And if the decorations are still up, it will be less crowded.
Hey yo, the world full of dreamers, man, and I don't wanna be the next one standing on the sideline watching all the checks come. I wanna be the best one, earn respect from everybody in the game, everyone know my name. Cause if I don't get my shot, I'm finished. Put my heart and soul in this, gotta handle my business as God my witness. I feel the devil there too, waiting for a moment of weakness so he can come through. What the fuck I'm gonna do? Sometimes I feel hopeless. Gotta try and stay focused when evil approaches, or you might disappear like hocus pocus. Keep your eye on the prize, gotta stay ferocious. Now all my life I've been running away, but not today. I'ma fight the demons away, and I pray that some way I could see a better day. Cause I be going insane and I'm needing a change. So do I? Or should I? Or would I? But I'ma keep fighting cause I know I'll survive. Yo, the world is hard, no one said it would be easy. I always said I'd be famous, but nobody believed me. Now everybody take notice before they couldn't see me. Try to live life right, cause these kids they wanna be me. Cause you a role model soon as your stock rises. Life full of surprises, you gotta realize this. Little kids idolize us while parents despise us. Putting thoughts in their head, think we ruining their lives. But it's not my responsibility to have to raise them. I'm here to entertain them, you should be the one to praise them. Cause I'm still making mistakes myself. Until I help myself, I can't worry about no one else. So I'ma continue.
A lot of people just deciding to cut across traffic. Not that I'm any better. I'll show you a clip of what the helmet looks like now without the visor and the chin piece on it. It's kind of like a football helmet, you know, roundy, open chin, open face, but full head.
I learned from my parents, observed, and I'm sure that be the right way. Until that bright day, I'ma keep pushing forward. I'm sure that all the haters, they all might say. Now all my life I've been running away, but not today. I'ma fight the demons away, and I pray that some way I could see a better day. Cause I be going insane, and I'm needing a change. So do I? Or should I? Or would I? But I'ma keep fighting cause I know I'll survive. Now until this moment, never gave it my all. But when you fall to the bottom, you be ready to brawl. Feel like I've been pissed on like a urinal stall. But I'ma walk, run, crawl till the day I stand tall. This was all planned for, ain't nobody give me handouts. Just gotta find yourself and that shit'll make you stand out. Ain't no glam route on the way to the top. You gotta work hard for every little thing that you got. You can't stand back and wait for someone to give you a shot. Cause you're gonna be shocked when your bubble gets popped. And I'm not gonna be another average Joe with some okay lyrics and an average flow. There ain't no way, everybody has to know that the UNIV is incomparable. So now all my life I've been running away, but not today. I'ma fight the demons away, and I pray that some way I could see a better day. Cause I be going insane and I'm needing a change. So do I? Or should I?
Fucking dick. What the hell's that asshole doing? Let me know in the comments if you like this angle. First the cab and then the dick with dogs. Gotta be alert, these cars don't really see you on the bike. See, this kind of traffic is when it makes sense to be in the bike lane. right in the bike lane.
Yeah, 5'9". Oh, now everybody just bounce, come on, bounce, come on. Oh, yeah, oh, bounce, bounce, yeah. Down in Miami, sipping margaritas, puffing on a Cuban way. This shorty, she be moving, got me losing my cool and making the whole club sizzle. Way she move it a little, she bring it low, bring it high, bring it back to the middle. Playing these guys like a fiddle, always gets what's hers. Says she's in love with Kerry Kittles and she's from Dirty Jersey. I wanna find out how a little kitty cat purrs, so I'ma work those curves, give her what she deserves. So mommy, bring that little body to the lobby of my hotel. I could tell that you could probably work it out so well, and know well if you be missing your flight, because you chillin' out with the you and I tonight. So don't go, shorty rock, we could take it slow. I wanna fly you away to Mexico, laying on the show, sipping something tropical. It could be a little secret no one has to know. Don't go, shorty rock, we could take it slow. I wanna fly you away to Mexico, laying on the show, sipping something tropical. It could be a little secret no one has to know.
I can't call it, I got this feeling, so I'm jumping up on it. Little sexy senorita got me sweating like sauna. Run for the border, dip in the water at 10 in the morning. That's when the waiter tapped me on the shoulder, look in the corner. No need to be modest, there she was, hot as a gelada. Prada got us a sipping on a pina colada. I gotta get that name and number, felt the heat like summer. And once I get a hold of it, go like Wayne Wonder. Here comes the rain and thunder, we start to run for cover. I lose the focus for a minute, now it's brought me under. Bobbing and weaving, dipping and ducking all through the crowds, thinking I'm seeing her something, but it ain't nothing now. Frantically up in the lobby, I search the high and low. She got me twisted, I'm lifted about which way to go. Nice baby, she tight lady, do me alright baby. Man, baby girl, got this player going crazy.
So don't go, shorty rock, we could take it slow. I wanna fly you away to Mexico, laying on the show, sipping something tropical. It could be a little secret no one has to know. Don't go, shorty rock, we could take it slow. I wanna fly you away to Mexico, laying on the show, sipping something tropical. It could be a little secret no one has to know. Now mommy, you got me open, hoping that you stay a minute.
The way you shaking, baby, don't stop.
Get it, and we ain't finished till it's closing time.
Like a job 9 to 5 when you party with the
5 to 9 to 9 milli. It'd be silly if you leave and come back up to the city. We can do some heavy breathing
in the Caribbean, dancing through the seasons. Whispers in your ear,
have you feel like you be dreaming. Cause there's no reason to end this rendezvous. As long as I'm with you, no amount of time will do.
The clock's ticking by.
Now there's no more decorations at Radio City, so I'm thinking Fifth Avenue is going to be bare, but it's still a good ride. Kind of a big slight downhill from Midtown all the way down to like 14th Street, Washington Square Park. So I'll give that a shot on the way home.